Introducing the Healer Pro Massage Chair, especially designed for targeted pain relief, designed with AI. The newly added features include Twin Touch Double Roller with an AI sensor for smart health detection and heat therapy to improve blood circulation. So, how to use the Healer Pro Elex massage chair? We have 3 options for operating the chair. It's simple. You either use the controls by the manual buttons, or simply navigate on the built-in tablet, or use the built-in voice control. Using a massage chair has never been so easy before. With the automatic mode, the massage chair takes you on a journey of therapeutic healing and pain relief in one single touch. You can also choose the type of massage in an easy way by selecting the right theme, scenario, exclusivity, like elderly health for soft healing process, and fatigue level, all for pain relief or recovery in automatic mode. In the exercise menu, you can choose the type of exercise that you would like to do for increase in mobility. In the advanced menu, you can now select the targeted part of your body where you would like to do the massage to help relieve the pain and stress there. Using the AI feature is simple. Just tick the correct details and the chair will scan your body automatically and detect the stiffness and fatigue level to help reduce it. The manual mode is more effective if you select the particular style of touch, the position of airbags and massage ball you want in your healing process. You can scan your health index by simply touching the icon on the screen or pressing the button on the AI health scanner to analyze the pain and stiffness in your body and type of massage you need to help reduce it. Adding your preferred massage into the favorite menu makes the process even more convenient. Activating the zero gravity mode. Changing the foot position and length can be easily done with a simple touch on screen or manual buttons or with the voice control. Activating the heat or changing its intensity can be done by touching the heat icon in the screen or by simply touching the heat button. The rollers for the feet can be activated by pressing the button or touching the roller icon in the screen as well. The strength of the massage can be changed with the symbols in the screen or manually by the wheel, and the air intensity, tapping speed, and kneading strength can be adjusted according to personal preference from the screen. The Healer Pro Plus massage chair is designed for individuals seeking advanced therapeutic support to manage physical discomfort, enhance mobility, and promote overall well-being.